Basic live is the innovation of architecture. It's all about what should be basic by now. The structure combined between offices and hotel. While the first floor dedicated to the public and contain restaurants, there are three main entrances. The first is for the hotel, the second is for the public, and the third, separated from the two other entrances, dedicated for the businesses. It also defined by the atrium. However, the innovation starts in the second floor and above. You see, each square meter in this area is worth about 60 grand, and I looked for a way to triple its worth. How? If we will compare architecture to the technology or machines, we will find out we are far behind. Why a building can't operate the same way as a machine does. In my project, I redefine what is a wall and what is a floor. The wall, integrated with the nanotechnology, we can improve the material of the wall to be soundproof and flexible, and 4 centimeters thick. This will allow us to bend the wall over to the ceiling. There it will also be used as the light. The floor. Disney research invention show a new type of floor, designed for VR experience. A moving floor that keep the user in the middle of the room at any time. I will use this floor for different purpose. Each furniture in my room will have identity magnet at its center. This way the floor will be able to identify each furniture and move it into the desired location. Combining these two technologies together we get a smooth operation, with no need for a human touch at all. First, the wall will go up, then the furniture will move to the chosen locations, and at last, the new walls will go down. However, we will not need those two technologies to operate in each room. In my typical floor I have the hotel rooms. The wall on the floor will allow the hotel to change the sizes of the rooms, according to the needs of the guests. Moreover, during the peak periods, the hotel will have the capability to adjust room sizes to optimize accommodation capacity. Pre-entering those hotel accommodation, the guests will have the opportunity to select the desired location of the furniture, giving them the opportunity to experience novel architectural encounter. Those rooms will have both of the flexible wall and the moving floor. The offices. The building contains the wide variety of office types, from WeWork offices to large companies' offices. Since there is no need for daily changing, the offices will not have moving floor. The adaptable wall can be adjusted monthly or remain unchanged for years, depending on the business need. Semi-apartment. Between the hotel rooms and the offices, there is a residential unit that integrate access to a private office space, offering the flexibility for extension the space during holidays or as the family grows. In each floor there are also VR rooms, which are designed for office use, particularly for VR meetings that are conducted across the virtual environment. Those rooms will have movable floors, however, fixed walls, since there is no need for big space.